Musa Mseleku and his wives Mayeni and Macele, they sign in community of property. Musa Mseleku have a wedding with his first wife Macele in 2001 or 2002, and they sign in community of property, the two of them. He told Macele that he want to have Istanbul, but the person who is going to benefit is Macele only. So he did not know that Mayeni she came back in his life again. So Mayeni and Musa Mseleku, they go back together. Musa Mseleku want to have a wedding with Mayeni. He told Macele to go to cancel the wedding that Mayeni she came. So Musa Mseleku and the two of them, Mayeni, Macele, they signed in community of property, the three of them. But Mangwawe and Makumalo are not involved in that wedding. We saw Makumalo have got members only. We didn't see Musa Mseleku and Makumalo sign in court like Mayeni and Musa Mseleku. Mayeni and Musa Mseleku, they sign in court, Mayeni wearing a green suit with Musa Mseleku, and Macele, they go to court. We saw Macele was signing at court, but we didn't see Makumalo and Musa Mseleku or Mangwawe and Musa Mseleku. That's why Mangwawe, she is acting in such a way. Makumalo was asking Musa Mseleku many questions at that day at therapy. Makumalo about their weddings, what with Macele, what. Makumalo was right. Those people, Mangwawe and Makumalo, they saw that Musa Mseleku married to them to have kids like Makwela. That's why Musa Mseleku doesn't care about Makumalo, because the reason why she got married, that's why he told people that Makumalo, she failed to did what she supposed to did. Musa Mseleku count his wives Mayeni and Macele. That's why he doesn't care to marry Mangwabe, even he knows that Mangwabe have got a child. Mangwabe saw that Musa Mseleku didn't love her. Musa Mseleku now, guys, he is pretending like he loves Mangwabe because he doesn't want to lose his kids through Mangwabe. He doesn't want to lose his kids only. So sometimes you can blame Mangwabe. Mangwabe saw that Musa Mseleku, he is using them. She doesn't not know Mangwabe all the time. That Musa Mseleku, look at Mangwabe since season 1, season 4, Mangwabe was right. But when it's to start Utando Nestembo season 5, 6, 7, Mangwabe start changing her attitude because she saw that this man is using her all the time. They are not going to benefit anything. People who are going to benefit is Macele and Mayeni in Musa Mseleku's. Musa Mseleku have got companies. Musa Mseleku was using the Makumalo. Makumalo, guys, help Musa Mseleku to build those houses of Mayeni, what. Guys, imagine you are helping someone who is married. They sign in community of property. Why Musa Mseleku? You know that Musa Mseleku can do anything for Mayeni. He can die for Mayeni, Musa Mseleku. Told Macele. He loves Macele, but he told Macele. And he, you know, sometimes Musa Mseleku, even Macele knows that Musa Mseleku loves Mayeni so much. Musa Mseleku, he can die for Mayeni. I don't want to lie. Because when Mayeni came in his life, Musa Mseleku changed the statement to Macele that she have to go back to court and cancel their wedding because Macele and Musa Mseleku, they signed, the two of them. So Musa Mseleku told Macele to cancel the wedding so Mayeni can be in that wedding, not other wives. You understand it? Macele was explaining to Mangwabe that I cancelled the wedding because Musa Mseleku want his wives to fit. But Macele knows that Musa Mseleku was doing it for Mayeni. You understand it? Mayeni and Musa Mseleku, Macele are those people. Even now Musa Mseleku passed away, there is that those papers in court, the title deeds, what you can saw the people who is going to benefit is Macele and Mayeni. That's why Makhumalo, she doesn't want anything to do with Musamseleku because she knows that this man all the time was using her.